Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your background on the KineMaster editing application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster editing app on your device, and once you open it up, you can open up a new project or continue working on any old one. Now, once you open up your project, you can tap on Media in order to import any media within your projects. Before you do this, you will notice that your background color is a black background. Now, if you wish to change this color into a different one, then tap on Media and then tap on Image Assets. You will now see various other colors that can be used as background, and there are also images within them. You can just tap on whichever color you wish to use, and it will be imported onto your timeline as your background right away. You can grab the tail end and then expand it to your desired duration, and now tap on the layer option in order to add a new layer so that the other medias that you add within your project will be put within the foreground. And in this way, you can change the background color within your project and even add multiple ones if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the background color on the KineMaster editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.